In this video, I'll show you how to create new trending AI photos. If you also want to create photos like this, you can easily do it within just 1 minute. It works for both single photos and couple photos, and I'll give you the exact prompts you need. Let me show you step by step. First, open Google and search for Google Gemini. Once it appears, open it. Inside Gemini, tap on the plus symbol, icon, and upload the photo you want to transform. If it's a single photo, the prompt will be different, and if it's a couple photo, I'll provide a separate prompt for that. For example, if you're creating a single photo, just upload your picture, paste the prompt, and wait a few seconds. Your AI photo will be generated, and you can download it instantly. If you're creating a couple photo, follow the same steps. Upload the couple photo, paste the couple prompt, and wait. Gemini will create the styled photo for you, ready to download. So whether it's a single photo or a couple photo, you'll have your result ready in under a minute. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching. In the end,